What I get in a week of PR. Let's get into it. First up, we got Rem Beauty. Let's open it up. A bunch of goodies. Interstellar Highlight. Open it up. Calming Face Mist. Eyeshadow palette. We've got a mascara, a liquid eyeliner, and a pencil eyeliner. Eye balm, plumping gloss, a lipstick, a lip stain, and a lip liner, and a cheek and lipstick. Next, we've got some Morphe, eyeshadow palette, hair clips, eyeliners, and brushes. Beauty Bay. There is so much stuff in here. I've got an eyeshadow palette and a face palette. I think I'm gonna love this. An eye brush set and 2 face brushes. Eyeshadow base, lip plumping gloss, gems, and lashes. A face roller, reusable eye patches. A candle and this mood ring. MAC. Oh my gosh. Primer and foundation. Mascara, eyeliners, lip gloss, and lipsticks. Charlotte Tilbury. Ooh. Foundation, powder, cream eyeshadow, concealer, brow gel, and a brush. Bunch of Ardell lashes and some candy floss. Milk makeup. How cool is this PR package for their new Future Fluid Concealer? Fenty Beauty Foundation and SPF. Face and eye mask from Garnier. Creative Skincare from L'Oreal. Serum, eye cream, eye mask, and a skin detector, and a silk scrunchie. There's too much stuff and I've still got like 7 boxes to go through, so who wants a part 2?